Good afternoon, good morning, good evening po sa ating lahat. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Andito na naman po si Casey Dumaging from Baybay State de Latina. Kumakanta ng 2 hours dito sa EEN Together with Shine PX. Sana ako inyong suportahan ngayong hapon na to at sa mga sumisilip-silip dyan at manood kahit tapos na yung live ko at panoorin ninyo. Maraming salamat po. From the bottom of my heart. Tapos po, ingat po kayo palagi sa manonood po ng video ko. At need a love shout out to our CEO Ma'am Chica Victor that even though she is busy, she is always there to support us. Host talents at EN Together with Shine PH. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for your kindness to us and to others also po. And may God guide you and your family and give you good health always. Alam kong love po kayo ni God dahil super mabait po kayo. Thank you po, Ma'am, for the love and support. Tapos po, ingat po kayo palagi. Okay. Magsishare muna ako sa live.